Greetings everyone and welcome to another episode of Road to be Proficient in Python, and today we are about to solve our new challenge Python if else, and as the title says we are about to learn more about if else. So conditions. So if else is condition that allows us to switch between cases. Let's say you have like here a number integer n, and by the way an integer is a whole number like 10, 5, 6 without points and stuff. And let's say you want to see if n is like odd, even, between a certain number and stuff. You can do that thing with if statement, if else statement. So I believe the objective is to build this thing here. So let's see. And if n is odd, print weird. If n is even and between 2 and 5, not weird. Even 6 to 20, print weird. Even 20, print not weird. The input format will be a positive number. It will be less than 100. Blah blah blah. And 3, blah blah. Explanation. Yeah. So we need to make if statements, and this one I can explain us how if works and stuff. So yeah, that is a diagram how if else works. If a is true, then go to true, go back. Alrighty, so this line here gets the n. So we have a condition. So if n is greater equal to 0 and less equal to 100, then let's check if it's even or odd, and if it's even, that the number will equally divide it with 2. So and this is the module 2 equal to 0. So here if it is even, else odd, else print weird. If else and if, and now we go for the certain range of numbers. So if it's 2 to 5, if it's n greater equal to 2 and n less equal to 5, print, I think, not weird, not weird, print not weird, print 2 to 5, if, which means else if, this I thought was 5 to 20, 6 to 20, range 6 to 20, n greater equal 6 and n less equal to 20, print weird, think weird and not weird if it's greater, else if n 20. Actually, we don't need this. 20. Because we have the constraint here that is larger than 0, so we don't have problem. Or maybe it's 1. Yeah, but then it will be odd. And yeah, if it's greater than 20, and not weird. Not weird. And also odd. So as you can see, we test here is the constraint. The n should be over 1, sorry, greater than 1, greater or equal than 1, and less than 100. We have the range is here, and we check on this big if else if it's even or odd, and we should be right if we run the code. Move on. 24. No, oh, it's capital letter. Not weird. I believe it's on the other ones too. So we have not weird. Okay, let's run the code again. Yeah, no, it's good. Not weird. And if we submit our code, it should pass all the tests without problem. And félicitations, success. We are good. That was the challenge. I hope you liked it and learn more about the conditional with Python. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, and see you in the next one.